Alright, so let me show you really quickly how to use our app. You'll see within 10 seconds, you'll get the perfect match you need. Once you go to our app, you'll see on the home page of our app, you'll have a quick demo. It'll give you brief instructions on how to use it. Hit get started. It will give you two options. Take a new photo, upload an existing photo you already have in your library. We're gonna make believe we're at our desk or we're at the location of the vehicle. Just click to start. Take photo. Front facing, center, clear. Let's click here to get a good zoomed in shot to focus. There we go. Hit use photo. And there we have it. You can see it matched it up perfectly. Y110A2 to 2-pin connector. Once you land on here, you can click on the actual pigtail and go through the details of the pigtail. You can see every fitment and function of what this connector goes to. Now, if you do need some help, you'll see this chat box will pop up. If I did select live chat right now, you'll speak to a Pigtail Pro within 10 to 15 seconds. That way you can receive immediate tech support, schematics help, etc. So in the chance that your pigtail doesn't get a correct match and it can't match it up directly, if you hit this live chat button within seconds, we'll make sure that you get the pigtail you need. So that's one great option, and we could just chat back and forth, similar to you having the text message. The goal is to not have you leave the vehicle without getting the information and pigtail you need.